Welcome to the wonderful world of Jangro, the largest network of independent janitorial distributors in the UK, Isle of Man and Ireland. Jangro, hygiene solutions for a cleaner environment. That's easy enough to say, but what does it really mean? Hygiene solutions means much more than the supply of premium, high-quality janitorial products. It means the offer of a comprehensive training package and in-depth technical support. This means a colour-coded safety system, instructional wall charts, safety data sheets, COSH awareness, risk assessments, product usage guides and much, much more. Jangro also offers a convenient solution. Our wide range of product choice means we represent a one-stop shop for many of our customers. We have a user-friendly new look catalogue, and just click here to enter our website for easy online ordering. Okay, what about cleaner environment? What does that really mean? It means that we offer a reduced environmental impact alternative in our product range wherever possible, and we dispose of the less friendly ones in a safe way. Our Enviro range is our fastest growing product range. It also means that we use the minimum of packaging, often made from recycled materials, whilst always ensuring product safety. We encourage customers to contact us to discuss their green needs, and we're always looking to seek out manufacturers of eco-products and equipment. And finally, the largest network of independent janitorial distributors. No empty claim this. Jangro supplies wholesale products to a diverse range of customers, from small independent companies to large local authorities. We do this through over 40 distributors who have exclusive access to Jangro products. They have a vast knowledge of the industry, which gives them a unique insight into our customers' needs.
We do white plastic or stainless steel dispensers.
And this experience means that they are always willing to provide expert advice. Jangro distributors are strategically located across the UK, Ireland and the Isle of Man, which means they provide a local, speedy, efficient and caring service tailored to their clients' needs. Together, they have a turnover in excess of £100 million, 1,000 staff and over 140 vans and drivers. Give us a wave, Dave. Cleaning. It's a simple, straightforward task that requires very little thought. Wrong. The cleaning industry is governed by complex rules and regulations, just like any other business sector.
Well, the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974 was brought about to try to make workplace safety more accessible and available to everybody.
As part of Jangro Hygiene Solutions, we have developed a comprehensive training package to help you provide a professional and compliant service. It's called the Jangro Solution, and adopting it to train your cleaners will enable you to provide a high-quality service with controlled costs.
Wherever you can, always use a neutral product first, and if it doesn't do the job and you're not quite sure, work away from that.
A well-trained workforce will increase safety, raise morale and increase cost-effectiveness. It'll reduce the chance of injury to staff, customers and visitors. In doing so, it'll also reduce the risk of costly lawsuits against both the company and individuals within your organisation. Even with the growth of environmentally aware products, there's always a risk of accidents, and the Jangro solution is designed to ensure that all cleaning operatives are aware of the dangers associated with the use of potentially harmful cleaning chemicals and equipment, and that they are properly trained in their safe use.
Also, too, you have to be very careful when you're cleaning an oven to let it cool slightly when you open it, not to spray straight away because it can come back out and hit you.
Knowing the right product for each cleaning task and the correct dilutions is also included in the training package. And all the techniques we promote meet all health and safety requirements. At the heart of the Jangro Solution are a comprehensive set of training guides. Topics include an introduction to cleaning, equipment, kitchen hygiene, washroom hygiene, floor care, carpet care, colour coding and infection control, COSH awareness, pH scale and cleaning agents, biohazards, as well as health and safety. Training aids include manuals, product usage guides, CD and DVD video modules, certificates, PowerPoint presentations, instructional wall charts, safety data sheets, health and safety employee handbooks and process, chemical and equipment risk assessments. It all adds up to one thing. The Jangro Solution is a great solution for all your training needs.
So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like any responsible business, Jangro is well aware of the need to protect our environment and promote a greener approach to the supply of cleaning products and equipment and their usage. Traditionally, the general perception of green products is that they underperform and are overpriced. But this is no longer the case with the high-quality, competitively priced Jangro Enviro range. All the products in this range are tested to ensure their efficiency and also independently manufactured and assessed to reduce their environmental impact. We always advise customers to buy 5-litre bulk containers of products, as they usually use less plastic packaging than 5 1-litre containers. And customers also save money when buying the larger packs. We deliver them to our customers using the minimum of packaging whilst ensuring product safety. All our packaging can be reused or recycled. The Enviro range includes environmentally friendly washing up liquid, degreasers, floor maintenance products, polishes, toilet cleaners and laundry powders. There's also brushware made from sustainable timber, energy-efficient light bulbs, plus biodegradable waste sacks and paper products.
This is new hand sanitizer we have on the market.
As the UK's leading independent janitorial supplies company, Jangro is a conduit from manufacturers to users, and this range will continue to grow as we work together to develop more environmentally friendly products. So check out our latest catalogue or website for new additions.
And is this available now?
It certainly is, yeah. That's our very latest one. It's just out.
Looks good to me. Yeah, I think we'll try that.
Very nice.
Cheers.
The growing popularity of green and sustainable products will be of great benefit to the environment in which we live. And ordering these products will leave you with a clear conscience and a feel-good factor, which is very rewarding. We want our range of janitorial supplies and equipment to be filled with products that are kinder to the environment, and we will keep searching until this is achieved. Washrooms, or sanitary areas, or the toilet, the loo, lavatory, restroom, the gents or the ladies, whatever they're called, it's likely to be the most visited place in any building, and it's also the most challenging place to clean properly. If we assess the environment of a washroom, it quickly becomes obvious that they require specific cleaning regimes to ensure high standards of hygiene and to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria. This means using products with disinfecting, germicidal or sanitizing properties, which kill 99.9% of all germs. And it's not just about environmental hygiene, it's also about personal hygiene. However good we are at cleaning, it'll be ineffective if we don't have the highest levels of hygiene ourselves. When it comes to washroom cleaning, we must take a systematic approach, and we believe that ours is one of the best. Step 1. Preparation. We need to get together all the right equipment for the job, the obvious things like a hand brush, cloths, a mop, bucket and wringer, and the relevant cleaning products, but also the right colour gloves, refuse sacks, and warning signs. It's important to always wear the correct personal protective equipment, PPE, suitable for each working environment, the equipment and products being used. In this case, the correct PPE includes gloves and safety signs. Before cleaning the washroom, it needs to be closed by putting up the cleaning in progress sign. Step 2. Clean the toilets first. Begin by flushing and dropping the water level using a toilet brush. Then add a cleaning product such as Jangro Perfume Daily Toilet Cleaner and leave to give the product adequate time to activate before cleaning and flushing. For urinals, use germicidal washroom cleaner. Jangro offer a choice of toilet cleaners for daily and weekly use, such as these. For sensitive surfaces such as stainless steel and in places that have hard water, the Jangro Acidic Toilet Cleaner and Limescale Remover is ideal. Step 3. Whilst waiting, clean up any rubbish on the floor and empty all waste bins. Be careful to look out for sharp objects, such as broken glass or hypodermic syringes. Then clean all communal contact surfaces such as toilet seats, covers and flush handles by spraying the cleaner onto the surfaces. Lovely job. Now that the product has had time to work on the toilet and urinal surfaces, it's time for step 4, which is to thoroughly clean the bowl and flush. Or wait for the automatic flush with urinals. Now on to step 5, which is to clean all fixtures and fittings, which includes hand dryers, light switches, sanitary boxes, toilet roll and hand towel dispensers. For any marks, put the product on the cleaning cloth and take care not to wet any electrical contacts. And once the dispensers are clean, it's probably the best time to refill them. Step 6 is to clean all vertical surfaces, including walls, doors and mirrors. Clean, working with small, manageable areas. Remember, carefully clean door fittings such as handles and push plates. Right, almost there. For step 7, clean all the remaining items, such as hand basins. Remove obstructions with tweezers. Spray with product. Then wipe all surfaces thoroughly and rinse out basins. Make sure you pay particular attention to taps to prevent a build-up of limescale and bacteria. Step 8 is to inspect what we've done, and if anything has been missed, go back and sort it out. Not only is this important from a hygiene aspect, but it also may impact on our jobs. We all need to keep the customer satisfied. That's better. And then it's on to step 9, which is to clean the floor. Firstly, brush the floor to get rid of dust and other rubbish. Then prepare the cleaning solution. Wet mop in a systematic way, working from the point furthest from the door. Then once the floor is dry, remove the warning signs and return the washroom to normal use. Congratulations, you're done. Care must be taken when using washroom products. Always read the instructions before use. The majority of washroom cleaning products are acidic and have a low pH number because they have to be effective against bacteria and limescale. The pH scale of 7 is neutral, and the lower the number, the more acidic the product is. It's a legal requirement to have health and safety information on the label, and you must obey the instructions. Most of the cleaning equipment and products used in this module are colour-coded red and yellow, which means they are suitable for use in the washroom. The colour coding is there to help prevent harmful bacteria from being transmitted around a building, so it's important that we are all aware of colour coding and adhere to it. For further information, consult the wall chart and cleaning guide. Jangro Washroom Services are an innovative range of products designed to deliver a clean, pleasant and safe washroom environment. Contact us and we will survey and assess washroom requirements and agree the service level that suits any business best.
Thermometers in here for the cleaners. What else do you think that we need?
Air freshener, top of the wall.
We will then assist you to implement the solution.
Definitely, yeah.
Lovely. Great.
Thank you.
Products and services include a discreet feminine hygiene service. We exchange the internal liners rather than the bin each time. Plus air care products, soap systems, vending machines and baby changing facilities. An auto sanitizer will prevent unwanted odours and build-up of limescale in urinals. Jangro water management systems will reduce water usage, costs and environmental impact. The Jangro Hygiene Monitor will give your customers confidence by ensuring your washroom is cleaned on a regular basis. Brilliant job, Claire. Give us a smile. First impressions count, and the standard of cleaning in any premises is a good pointer toward the overall efficiency of the organisation. From a factory to schools, care homes to hotels, restaurants and food manufacturers. But good housekeeping is about far more than just first impressions. There are numerous hazards that can be avoided with an efficient cleaning regime and good housekeeping practices. The collection and disposal of litter and maintaining clean and tidy areas will go a long way towards reducing the risk of an accident occurring. It's all about basic health and safety in the workplace. Also, regular and effective cleaning will help preserve furnishings and fittings, keep them looking pristine and ensure a longer life. There are also important health benefits to a clean environment. The control and removal of dust helps people who have allergies, reduces the level of pests and insects, and minimises the spread of bacteria and infection. Cleaning products used for housekeeping are normally colour-coded blue, which shows that they're being used in cleaning areas which are considered to represent a low risk of infection. Colour coding is there to help prevent harmful bacteria from being transmitted around the building, so it's important that it's adhered to. Always read the label and check the stated pH scale. 7 is neutral, and most household products are pH neutral, which means they are non-hazardous. For your safety, always read the instructions. There's an extensive range of Jangro products for housekeeping purposes, including neutral orange cleaner, glass and mirror cleaner and multi-surface polish, plus an air freshener and blue colour-coded equipment. Jangro also have an extensive range of laundry products, including laundry liquids and fabric softeners. A growing number of our housekeeping products have been independently assessed and are now part of the Enviro range. This is supported by a large range of cleaning equipment, including signage, robust trolleys and carts, and PPE such as gloves. It's always more efficient to approach cleaning systematically, and here are a few housekeeping cleaning tips. It's a good idea to plan what to do and when before starting on any cleaning task. A few minutes of time planning can save hours of hard work. Always start on less soiled areas, then clean areas that are dirtier. This minimises the transfer of heavy soiling to cleaner areas and avoids having to change cloths and equipment too often. Always start at the top and work down, so any splashes of cleaning solution are cleaned away. Work from the furthest point and move towards the door, so that newly cleaned areas are kept clean. Work to a set pattern to help efficiency. This means preparation, ventilate rooms, remove debris and litter, and remove any items that need to be cleaned away from the immediate work areas. Clean. Begin with high-level areas and surfaces, then clean all sanitary fittings if present, then spot clean walls and fittings, such as door handles and light switches, then clean all furniture. Then finally, clean the floors. Finish. Always check and make good any spots missed or any splashes or smudges left. Then clean all equipment and leave the area just as it was found, only much cleaner. Bye! The importance of kitchen hygiene cannot be overemphasised. It's governed by a number of Acts of Parliament, which impose a duty on the owner or occupier to comply at all times. Local authorities monitor compliance through environmental health officers. Although it's a legal requirement, an effective cleaning regime in a kitchen should be seen in terms of genuine benefits to the business. A clean kitchen results in a reduced risk of food poisoning, lowers the risk of a pest infestation, and it provides a more pleasant and safer working environment, as well as eliminating the risk of being closed down by the environmental health authorities, which is no good for anyone except the competition. We all need to be aware of the potential risks involved in cleaning kitchens. These include the correct handling of knives and other sharp implements to minimize the danger of injury. The danger of glassware breaking when being cleaned, and the correct disposal of breakages. The correct handling, storing, and disposal of rubbish. Checking that electrical equipment, fittings and wiring are safe to clean, and reporting any faults. Ensuring that gas appliances are switched off and not accidentally turned on whilst cleaning. One of the greatest risks of food contamination comes from people who work in a kitchen, and this includes us all. We must make sure that we're correctly prepared and maintain excellent personal hygiene. This includes wearing clean overalls and washing your hands, using antibacterial soap and hand sanitizers. It also means wearing the correct protective clothing when required, such as gloves, hairnet, hat, apron or eye protection, when advised to do so on the cleaning product label or wall chart. And always place a safety sign on the floor before beginning, and remove when you have finished. Kitchen cleaning tasks fall into 4 categories: after each use, daily, weekly, and monthly. Some items need to be cleaned after each use. This includes chopping boards and food preparation surfaces, ovens, grills and microwaves, plus machines like slicers, mixers and can openers. Jangro Kitchen Cleaner Sanitizer removes light fat deposits, grease, food and clean smudges. Perfect to use for all surfaces, including stainless steel items. Then there are items to be cleaned daily, such as floors, hot cupboards and refrigerated display cabinets. Jangro Kitchen Degreaser Heavy Duty is ideal for kitchen floors. Items to be cleaned weekly include shelves, drawers and food storage racks, fryers and fridges, and cold rooms. Jangro Kitchen Cleaner Sanitizer will clean surfaces and the inside of fridges, ideal for weekly tasks. Finally, monthly items to be cleaned include canopies, vents, pipework, walls and paintwork, for which we recommend Jangro Kitchen Degreaser Heavy Duty. All cleaning products used in the kitchen are colour-coded green, which shows that they are suitable for use in the kitchen. Colour coding is there to help prevent harmful bacteria from being transmitted around the building, so it's important that it's adhered to. Also, most kitchen products are alkaline, which means they have a pH above 7, as this helps them break down heavy oil and grease, so you'll need to take the indicated safety precautions. Always read the product label and check if a hazard symbol is displayed. If so, take the required precautions. There's also a Jangro Kitchen Hygiene Guide, plus dilution charts for concentrated products and instructional sheets to help you understand which products to use and where. We must all read them, they're there for our guidance. So always check out all the available information, it's there to help, and don't take risks. Hard floor coverings have a big impact on the appearance of a building. Architects take great care to specify coverings that match interior decor and help achieve the desired ambiance for any space. Hard floor coverings are also a significant investment. They can often be the most expensive single item in a building. So when it comes to cleaning them, we have to get it right. Here at Jangro, we recommend a 3-step approach to floor care. 1. Prepare. 2. Protect. And then 3. Maintain. When a hard floor covering is new, we need to prepare it by getting the surface as clean as possible before we go on to protect it. This includes sweeping to remove any debris and rubbish, and then wet mopping or vacuuming to remove any dust. For an existing hard floor, preparation normally means stripping off the worn-out seals. Machine stripping is a popular and economical method of preparing large areas. Firstly, we attach a drive board to the base, and then we attach stripping grade pads to the machine. Then we apply Jangro floor polish remover with a mop and bucket and leave for a few minutes. Leave the solution for 5 minutes to soften the polish, then machine strip the area until all polish is removed. Additional solution can be applied using the machine. Edges should be stripped using a black pad attached to an edging tool, like this. Remove the slurry with a wet pickup vacuum or mop. To ensure that the polish adheres to the surface, we must now neutralise the floor. This is done by adding 1 capful of vinegar to a 5-litre bucket of water and mopping the floor and then allowing to dry. To protect, we use a seal, a semi-permanent protective layer that is suitable for the type of floor covering. Semi-permanent means it can last for several years before it needs to be stripped and reapplied. Suitable means it must stick to each particular surface but be able to be stripped without damaging it. With some resilient flooring like vinyl, a floor seal can be unnecessary, and the direct application of a polish will suffice. There's a range of Jangro seals that can be used, depending on the type of floor, environment and wear. After we've ensured the floor is clean and dry, pour undiluted floor seal into a bucket or tray. Apply the first coat thinly and evenly over the floor, always working in a straight direction from one side of the room to the other, bearing in mind that the second coat should be applied at a right angle to the first. Always leave a 10 centimetre gap from the skirting on this coat to avoid a build-up of seal or polish. Then leave to dry, which can take as little as 30 minutes for a water-based seal, but over several hours for solvent-based product. Then apply the second coat thinly and evenly, normally at right angles to the first coat. Ensure that this coat is applied right up to the skirting and then leave to dry. Always read the instructions and refer to the product usage guide, as some specialist seals such as Sovereign Total Floor Treatment require the second coat to be applied in the same direction as the first. There are different types of seal, and generally speaking, we use solvent-based seals for wood and wood composite floors, which are damaged by water, and water-based seals for thermoplastic, vinyl, lino, rubber and asphalt, which are damaged by solvents. These seals create a resilient layer that protects the floor from solids such as dirt, food and liquid spillages, stains such as drinks and chemicals, and scuffs and abrasions. Seals also enhance the appearance of floor coverings and increase their useful life, whilst decreasing the cost of maintenance. Seals have strong chemical resistance properties. This means that staining agents which can penetrate a surface polish will remain on top of a seal. This allows for better and longer-term protection. Once a floor is successfully sealed, it normally requires the application of a polish to achieve a high gloss or satin finish. Polishes are emulsion or water-based coatings that are easily removed and reapplied to keep any floor looking its best. The idea is that the polished surface takes the majority of the wear and tear, not the floor itself, which is important considering that floors are normally subject to the highest level of wear and tear in a building. They can get incredibly dirty. 80% of soil entering a building does so on people's shoes, and although some can be caught at entrances with mats, a lot still gets inside. Now we need to maintain our floor. There are 3 major ways of maintaining a floor. Firstly, we can spray and buff the floor. This will improve gloss, durability and slip resistance, and also minimize the need to reapply the polish. To begin, fill a trigger spray bottle with the product at the recommended dilution. Jangro Perfumed or Enviro Floor Maintainer or Sovereign Gloss Restorer are ideal maintainers. Fix a red buffing pad to the rotary machine. Spray a fine mist onto the floor approximately 1 meter in front of the machine and buff the floor to obtain the required finish. This method is ideal for cleaning and maintaining light to medium soiled floors. Swap to a blue floor pad if scuff marks need to be removed. The second way to maintain a polished floor is to use a mop and bucket. If Jangro Neutral Floor Cleaner or Sovereign Universal Floor Cleaner is used, it will avoid a polymer buildup on the floor. Depending on the size and type of floor surface and the work environment, a range of mopping systems are available. Typically, a standard mop bucket and socket mop is suitable for smaller areas, whereas a Kentucky mop bucket and wringer is best for more sizable areas. Flat mop systems provide a damp, rather than wet, mopping solution for areas where overwetting may damage a water-sensitive surface.